Yo, what's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to be Masashi 1 from VulnHub. I rate this box about a solid easy, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so to get started, I'm just going to be opening my terminal. Let me split these terminals real quick. So, split these. So next, first I'm going to start by doing a net square minus r 10.0.0.1 minus 24 minus I et0. This is going to find the IP address of our box. We do have an IP address right there, 10.0.0.120. So next, I'm going to run an mmap scan. Minus SC, minus SV. We'll run all ports on that. And we'll put the IP address in right there. So I'm going to do a net cat minus NV on the IP address on port 80. And we do see HTTP is open. We also do have HTTP open here, right? This was just a banner grab. And we do have a port 22 for SSH. So here it seems like we have the default Debian Apache 2 web server default page. So next I'm just gonna run a gobuster in dir mode minus u HTTP. We'll do minus w user share wordless dirbuster directory list 2.3 medium.txt. If this doesn't work, we can actually write do minus x for extensions. We can add the PHP, HTML, and TXT. And we do get a robots.txt. And also right here does show the robots.txt, which shows a disallowed entry. So we can just copy the robots.txt. And right here we do have 3 directories, snmpwalk.txt. So let's visit that. And we do have cron TFTPD. It does seem like it's running on port 1337. So let's see if that port exists. So we can just do, instead of scanning all ports, we can do 1337. Was it 1337? 1337. It shows that it's closed, but we can probably still FTP into that. So next we do have ssh folder.txt. We do have ID RSA and ID RSA.pub, which is public. And we have, if this is a bug, let me know on Twitter. So we're going to be focusing on our snmp.txt. And we do have this, so it does show that we're running on 1337. So I'm just going to do sftp, we'll do 10.0.0.120, and then we'll run this on port 1337. I don't know the commands on here. So if we go back, if we do go back to our ID RSA, it does show that we have these files here. So we're going to be see if we can get these files. We can use the get command to do that, I believe, and also the get ID underscore RSA.pub. So now we can X out of this, or quit, I believe. Yeah, quit. So now we can cat our ID RSA. And right here it says, so if you can't use the key, then what else can you use? Let's try using the PUB, the public key. Right here it says, dude, seriously, the key doesn't work here. Try another cewl. Cewl's a tool we can use. Thing here, we can check an index.html. Wink, wink. Alright, so I'm guessing we're going to have to brute force, right? We're going to be using a tool called cewl. We'll do D, M, and M. We'll set this to 6. We'll set this with numbers. Minus W, we'll do get word list. We'll name this word list underscore apache2.txt, and then we'll specify we'll copy that, and then we'll actually do the index.html. So now we can cat our WordPress or word list apache2.txt. So next we're going to start by brute forcing. You can use Hydra or whatever brute forcing tool you like. I like using crackmapexe. So we're going to do crackmapexe SSH, since we're going to specify the protocol on 120. We're going to specify the username. The username over here, if you did check, was SV5 for the user that we saw. And then we're going to do -p, which can be under root, and under it was word list Apache 2. Okay, and then we can also specify I think that's it. Alright, so we can now press enter, and now we're going to let this start by brute forcing, right? So let me scoot this over so we can see the logins attempted, right? So now we just wait. All right, so all right, so now all right, so now the brute forcing was done, and you do see that we have a valid password under the user sv5, and also the password is who is the plug. So now I'm actually going to log in right here. So I'm going to cancel this. So we're going to SSH it into sv5 at 10.0.0.120. And we do have the password right here. So now we're sv5 at Masashi. So we do ls, we cat into user.txt. So next we're going to do sudo -l. And right here it does show that we can run this as sudo. So all we have to do is just copy this. We can run this as sudo under that. And once we do that, if you go to gtfo bins, you're running the vi command as sudo. You do see that we can execute this. So we can just press the colon, type in shell. Now we're root, so now we can ls into that cat user.txt, or cat into, go to root, and cat into root.txt. And here's our root flag. Well guys, that's pretty much it in the video. It was pretty easy box, but overall pretty good box, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.